The purpose of a product requirements document is to clearly state why a product or feature should exist. It explains the reason behind the work before any design or development begins. By defining the purpose early, teams avoid building something just because it is requested, and instead focus on real customer and business needs. A product requirements document defines the purpose by identifying the problem to be solved. It describes the pain points users face and the gap in the current solution. This purpose gives the team a clear target and prevents effort from being spent on features that do not address a real problem. Another key purpose of the product requirements document is to connect the product to business goals. It explains how the product supports objectives such as growth, revenue, efficiency, or customer satisfaction. This ensures the team understands not just what to build, but why it matters to the organization. The product requirements document defines purpose by setting clear goals and outcomes. Instead of focusing only on features, it describes the expected results and impact. This helps teams measure success based on value delivered, rather than the number of features completed. Defining purpose in a product requirements document also helps guide prioritization. When teams know the main purpose, they can decide which requirements are essential and which are optional. This keeps development focused on what delivers the most value. The purpose section of a product requirements document aligns all stakeholders around a shared understanding. Product, design, engineering, and leadership can agree on the same reason for building the product. This alignment really reduces conflict and confusion later in the process. A clear purpose in the product requirements document supports better decision-making. When trade-offs arise, teams can refer back to the defined purpose to choose options that best support the original goal. This keeps decisions consistent and intentional. The product requirements document also defines purpose by setting boundaries. It clarifies what the product is meant to achieve and what it is not meant to do. These boundaries prevent scope creep and protect the team's focus. By defining purpose, the product requirements document provides direction throughout development. It acts as a guiding reference when questions arise about requirements, design choices, or technical approaches. This keeps the team moving in the same direction. The defined purpose in a product requirements document helps evaluate success after release. Teams can compare outcomes against the original purpose to see if the product delivered the intended value. This in turn supports learning and continuous improvement. Overall, the product requirements document exists to define and communicate purpose clearly. It ensures everyone understands why the product is being built, what problem it solves, and what success looks like, creating a strong foundation for effective product development.